Hi, good evening, friends. I am Neeraj Pathak. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Samruddhi Trading Academy. Yesterday, we posted a video on learn how to trade on budget day. We have shared some hedging strategies in that. But today was the awesome day for Bank Nifty and Nifty after the budget has been settled, budget has been completed. The Bank Nifty has rallied for 2,400 points in a day, approximately 8% in a day. You can see from morning only Bank Nifty was bullish. It got up to 31,687. After 31,600 from here, some point of year, budget was ended, and from that point, see how was the rally began for the Bank Nifty. Here some retracement came, but again it moved up, and with the rally continued, Bank Nifty ended up with 2,400 point plus, that is 8%. Whereas Nifty also was bullish from the morning. Here only, here some retracement came again. Here some budget ended, and from here on side it gone up, and it also ended with 400 plus points. That is very good rally. This was the best budget as per market. So we shared you some strategies yesterday that we can do on budget day instead of doing naked options. So we can hedge and do the strategies, so our stop losses will not be hitted or our loss will be controlled. Normally in hedging strategies we don't get out of loss, we book some of the other profit only. So here are the strategies which were discussed yesterday. So I'll share you some strategies. Yesterday we discussed about long strangle, long straddle, short strangle, short straddle, and iron butterfly. Okay, these were the strategies. We told you yesterday also that we have to take some strategies which we are comfortable. So I'll show you some other thing. Wait a minute. The positions we created yesterday, I'll share you the position. Wait 1 minute. Okay, these are the positions we created. This is the first strategy, which is long strangle, which we were holding from Friday itself. We told it from 185, and today it has made high of a 1416. We booked a profit, good profit in it at 700 rupees, which were 8,000 rupees. This is an option tracker software, so you can see more profit here, but we booked 8,000 rupees profit in this, around 700 rupees, 700 points here. This is iron butterfly strategy. In here it is showing a 1218 rupees loss, but told you yesterday also in iron butterfly strategy that whenever there will be start of a rally, you should exit that short call. Means today I'm telling a short call, but short side which one we have sold, that position you have to square off. We square off this position somewhere about 1500, and we booked handsome profit in here also around 3000. So we exited this strategy. Bank Nifty short call 31,000. We exited around 1500 somewhere, and we booked 3000 plus in this. This were also a strategy. This was done in two lots, and you can see the profit of 52,000. But here also we booked 16,000 profit, because the same strategy which were here, that only strategy, but in double quantity we played. And this one strategy, this we have taken on Thursday. we booked profit in here also around 6K. And this one is also a long strangle. This one also we have taken on Thursday, and here also we booked 5,000 profit. So overall bank nifty was bullish, very good budget we saw today. So my motive is to share this today's that how bank nifty moved with a good result after the budget. But this is the software which I had developed as a Samruddhi Signals trading system. You can access this as a free for 7 days trial pack. See, from morning only, Bank Nifty told that it is a bullish. So if we took the call from this side, from on, I think so, this is on 20th Jan only, Bank Nifty told us that it is in bullish side. So you can see from here, from 30,159, it told the buy sell, and till here it has given around 3255, around 3,255 points in Bank Nifty. So it is important that we should be having some of the other technical courses. With that we should get, if we get some software, we will be very very well useful to trade patiently. So you can see what the accuracy is there in a positional calls also. If anyone interested can contact downside my in description I had given my email id and mobile number. There is a WhatsApp number, you can WhatsApp me and ask for a trial pack. I'll share you the 7 days trial pack. And if you interested, you can continue with our another package or monthly or yearly. Also uh, we provide tradings also. We are very good in data analysis, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and trading with a trader psychology. What is trading with a trader's psychology? Actually, traders mindset, it's today also. You can see that in our hedging position also it was giving a 25,000 in a single lot. But as a trader, I personally tell you that I also not booked that much profit. But we can book profit handsome. This trader psychology means that in a live market, we to support you at that level, that when to enter, when to exit, what should be our profit and what should be our risk. Then only we enter in the stock or a strategy. Normally, we trade in options hedging strategies only. We normally not trade in a naked options because it are highly risky. If anyone trade in a naked option, he can earn once, twice, thrice, around 5 times he can earn. But if he lose for one single time, he can lose more than 5 times. If you are consistent in this, you can easily earn monthly around 10 to 15% return on your capital invested. So I'll suggest you that go for it. I'll share you some details in my description box. You can check it, and you will get good benefit. And I'll thank you and happy trading. We'll meet in next video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my video. Whenever there will be the next video, you will be notified. So click on the bell button, which is located near to subscribe button. And thank you. We'll meet you again. Happy trading.